What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All Gains Mindset here. Talk about mindset, fitness, dating, health, all that kind of cool stuff. So we're going to go over today why it's easier to be a 1% kind of person in today's society. Well, we were on like a walk this morning, getting some cardio in, going over some business ideas, stuff like that. And we were just thinking, it's never been so easy to get ahead in this world because your competition, which is most of, obviously everyone in the world, people, I think, in my opinion, are getting a little bit weaker because, not only because of technology, everything, we have access to so many things, we don't know which one to choose. It's like having access to 1,000 TV channels by not knowing what to watch. We could have food delivered to our houses. We can just there's like an Instacart now. And you could have like Amazon bring everything in your house. You could work from home. You don't have to go anywhere. School could be from home because people are afraid to go out because stupid Corona. Still, I just don't get it. Well, whatever, it's besides the point. But it's never been easier to do nothing. And that's really sad because back in our history, up until about like 10 years ago, you had to work for like everything that you wanted. You had to like go out, you had to build things, you had to go out, and you actually had to maneuver, you had to go out to the store and buy groceries, and now you get it delivered to you. There's DoorDash, there's an Uber, there's Uber Eats, right? There's Grubhub, there's all of these companies that, there used to be only pizza delivery. That was it. If you want a pizza, I got you, but now...
Or even Chinese delivery, they do that too.
But now everything can be delivered right to you, and And plus the fact that if you could work from home, you don't have to leave your house. Imagine, I think that could create some damage. You need to get out and experience the world and get that vitamin D from the sun.
The sun D.
Not the other D. You need the sun. And it's now that it's easy to become lazy. Of course, some people are going to take advantage of the opportunity to be lazy. And it's good for people who are very competitive because your competition is just dying out. Because more and more people are now being able to become more lazy due to all of these things that are making us, live easier.
It's very easy to be entrepreneurial right now, especially because now that everyone's getting lazy and everyone is doing a lot of these things from home, you could make a business for those people that want to stay home and do these things. You could create the next DoorDash. You could create the next Uber Eats or delivery service or do something in that sense where you can help the people who want to stay home, and you can make money off that. You can take advantage of the people who want to be lazy and want to stay home, and you can do the things that you want to do and get the money that you feel like that you can get from that if you have the great ideas and you have a great opportunity for that.
So I guess this video is basically like a reminder to don't allow yourself to get lazy by all the environmental distractions and devices that are being used technically against you, because I think a lot of these society and companies, they want to make you weak. They want to soften out the competition. They want to make everybody cheap. It's my opinion. Fine. If it's just mine, so be it. But I think it makes sense. Many people do not have the will to kind of get better, it seems. Some do, some don't. I'm noticing it around me, It takes a lot of willpower to even get up in the morning and go work out. And most people, only a certain percentage of Americans actually work out. So I guess this video is more of a reminder to get out there and don't let society make you weak. You need to get out and stay strong because the grind never ends. And you need to make sure that you're staying on your purpose in life and staying on the grind, staying on a flow state that can help you maneuver through life and stay above your competition. Because on this channel, we want people to utilize their full potential, get out there and make the best of everything, because if everyone is trying to live their best life and use their brain power and their muscles the way they could, then this world could be a very, very good place. So
with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button and share this video around. Comment if you have anything you want to add to this. We also have the All Gains Mindset Facebook group. It's in the description with all of our social media platforms as well. Definitely go there and follow and subscribe to all of those, and also subscribe to this channel. And with that said, guys, we will see you in the next video.